As we age, we become very aware of how important it is to keep our body fit and healthy so that we can enjoy an active lifestyle. And as a fitness professional and a Tai Chi instructor, I work with many seniors, people over the ages of 50 and 60 who are seeking out a gentle way of exercising their body so that they don't put undue stress and tension on their joints, but still keep their body moving, maintain their balance and their strength. And Tai Chi is a wonderful way to achieve this. So I'm here today with 4 different Tai Chi movements that are going to get our body moving in a gentle way. First of all, finding a nice neutral place to stand. So do a little body scan, feet hip width apart and everything relaxed at the joints. Regulating the breath. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Let's repeat that out to the sides. Inhale and exhale. And breathing in and breathe it out. Gonna add a little knee bend this time. So breathing in, keeping the legs straight. Breathe it out, adding that knee bend. Keeping the posture nice and tall. Breathing in and breathing out. To holding up the heavens. We're going to face the palms to the ceiling and we're pushing high, stretching through the body, keeping the shoulders down. We're going to turn the hands and relax down. Let's repeat that a few times. I'm going to bring the body weight onto one foot and tap the other foot in and do a heel toe forwards to the corner in a lunge, and this is called bow stand. So we're going to push our hands forwards. We're going to rock the body weight back and push the hands forwards again towards the corner. Let's repeat that in a nice slow flowing movement and a gentle transfer of body weight from one foot to the other. I'm going to add a transfer all the way, this time tapping this foot in and then heel toe back, adding that step. Dance. And let's repeat that on the other side. So transferring the weight, we're going to tap this foot and heel toe into our bow stance, nice posture. Pushing the arms forwards, focusing on the palms And like we're moving our hands and pushing them through water, let's add that transfer of weight. And transfer all the way this time, tapping the foot in and heel toe into our bow stance. Really great for leg strength, this movement. Bring our hands to cross hands and make some fists. We're going to draw our hands towards our chest and then shoot an arrow out to the side. Knee bend into our horse stance, lots of focus, lots of strength here, keeping everything relaxed. Let's repeat that on the other side. So let's keep a continuous flow and repeat all those moves, regulating the breath. Holding up the heavens. Stepping in, let's push out to our bow stance. Let's push out the other way. Draw our bow and shoot our arrow. And let's do that all again. Stretching through the body. And nice calm breathing, keeping everything relaxed. So regulating the breath. Calm breathing, enjoy the movement. Stretching up and relaxing down. Let's push. And the other way. Let's repeat that. One more time. Really feel the movement and enjoy the movement. Let's take our feet slightly wider and we're just going to sway from side to side, moving our body weight. We can add a little turn of the waist, swinging the arms, so they're going from side to side, round the body. Let's do it a little bit quicker, so free and easy. Feel your body loosen, feel your energy, and get your blood flowing and your body moving. And bringing it back, nice and slowly to our parallel stance, feet hip width apart. And let's just breathe in and hold, pressing palms. Breathing in and breathing out. Let's do that again. So breathing in, breathing out, hold, pressing palms. And breathing in and breathing out. Let's do that again. I do hope you've enjoyed the session today. Nice and easy Tai Chi movements for seniors, older people, over 50s and 60s, or any adult really who wants to keep their body fit and healthy so we can enjoy an active lifestyle. So do join me again and I hope to see you soon. Bye!